The Tesla Model 3, which earned an overall 5-star safety rating a few months ago by European New Car Assessment Program, has taken a step forward towards achieving another safety milestone, this time from Insurance Institute for Highway Safety. Let's see if the rear-wheel drive version of the mid-size luxury sedan has managed to be qualified for Top Safety Pick Plus Award, which is the highest safety rating given by the US organization. To achieve that award, a vehicle must earn good ratings in a variety of crash tests and for its headlights, as well as receive an advanced or superior rating for front crash prevention system. These tests represent, in a simplified way, important real-life accident scenarios that could result in injured or killed car occupants or other road users. During the small overlap frontal crash test from driver's side, cars travel at 40 miles per hour towards a 5-foot-tall rigid barrier, and a dummy representing an average-sized man is positioned in the driver's seat. 25% of the total width of the vehicle strikes the barrier on the driver's side. The dummy's position in relation to the door frame, steering wheel, and instrument panel after the crash test of the Tesla Model 3 indicates that the driver's overall survival space was maintained well, despite moderate intrusion of the lower part of the door hinge pillar and buckling of the door sill. In the moderate overlap frontal test, 40% of the total width of the vehicle strikes the barrier on the driver's side at 40 miles per hour. Here, the Model 3 has a big advantage. Since it doesn't have an engine, the front of the car can absorb the worst of the impact without having to worry about a big engine getting in the way. The dummy's position in relation to the steering wheel and instrument panel after the crash test indicates that the driver's survival space was maintained very well, as intrusion into the driver's space was minimal and all leg and foot injury measures were low. The statistics show that side crashes account for about a quarter of passenger vehicle occupant deaths in the United States, and automakers should not only install side airbags but also strengthen the structures of vehicles. The Tesla Model 3, in spite of having little imperfection in the side crash test conducted by Euro NCAP, has achieved perfect results by IIHS protecting the driver and the rear passenger from both head, chest, and pelvis injuries. The car also got good ratings in the tests of roof strength, head restraints, and seats. Headlights have an essential role to play in preventing nighttime crashes, and in this test, both low beams and high beams are measured on 5 approaches, which you can see in the graphic. On the gradual left curve, visibility of the low beams was inadequate, but on the other approaches, both the low and high beams have mainly shown good results, providing an overall good rating for this test. In the child seat anchors test, the car got an acceptable rating, because lower anchors were too deep in the vehicle seat, which makes them difficult to find. The car's standard front crash prevention system has earned a superior rating, avoiding collisions in both the 12 miles per hour and 25 miles per hour IIHS track tests. Earlier, the vehicle achieved the highest safety assist scores in the history of Euro NCAP with its first-class autonomous driving assistance systems. So, the Tesla Model 3 has shown excellent results, despite having some imperfections regarding the risk of injury to the driver's lower leg, child seat lower anchors, and low beams. But in general, a good-rated bigger vehicle offers higher level of protection than a good-rated smaller car, so it's recommended to choose a bigger vehicle if you've got the choice. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.